you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Nissan Altima 2.5 SV in Scarlet Ember. With lane departure warning, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 60,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, power sunroof, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D8031.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.